So before attending the session exercise 12.2, so first we have to learn about area of segment. So what is meant by area of segment? When you are taking here any circle, so take a circle and draw one chord. So what is meant by chord in this? So chord, the line segment which joins two points on the circle is called a chord. So that when you are drawing a chord, now it divides the circle into two parts. So one is smaller part, another one is major part. Part is called as segment of a circle. Since it is the smaller part, so that we can say here this is called as minor segment and rest of the part in the circle is called major segment. Now here the questions arises here. So how to find the area of the segment? They will ask in the questions, find the area of the segment, so that we cannot find the segment area of the segment directly. So what we have to do here, from center to segment of the chord, so mark here 2 points. Now we can see one is OAB is a triangle. Next one we can say here OABD is called, or else we can mark here one more point, OADB is a sector. So that we are having here a sector and a triangle. Angle at the center is theta, so that we can consider this part as theta here. Now, so to find this area of the segment, what we have to do here, area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. So area of triangle, so area of the sector equals to area of sector. We can take here area of the sector anyway. We have the formula theta by 360 into pi r square minus half into base into height. This is the formula we can use to find area of the segment. Here area of the triangle depends on its angle. Sometimes we may get here 90 degrees, so that we can say it is a right angle isosceles triangle. Sometimes we get here the center is 60 degrees, so that we can say here equilateral triangle, or it depends on the, if all the sides are equal means we can consider it is an equilateral triangle. So depends on the triangle, we can find here area of the segment. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeters if angle of the sector is 60 degrees. Find the area of a sector of a circle. So first, what is meant by sector? So you can take here the sector. So they have mentioned here it is in the first, it is a sector. Then we have to find the area of this sector. The angle is given at the center is 60 degrees. So angle at the center is mentioned as 60 degrees and the radius equals to given 6 centimeters the radius. Now this is question number 1 in exercise 12.2. So radius equals to 6 centimeters and the angle equals to 60 degrees. Then area of the sector equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the area of the sector formula. Then theta is 60 degrees by 360 into pi value, nothing is mentioned means we have to take as 22 by 7 and the radius is 6 into 6. 60 will go here 6 times, 6 get cancelled, 6 2 is 12, 6 2 is 12 plus 1 13, 132 by 7 centimeter square. Area of sector. (132 by 7 centimeter square). This is the question number 1. Second question, find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeters. Quadrant is nothing but 1/4 the area of the circle, but here they did not mention any radius, so that what we can take here, they have mentioned the circumference of a circle is 22 centimeters. So circumference, that is C equals to 22 centimeters. So that from this we have to find radius of the circle. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r equals to 22. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius equals to 22. So from this radius equals to 22 into 7 by 22 into, this is 2 by 1 means we can write as 1 by 2. 22 cancel. Radius equals to 7 by 2 centimeters. Then what they ask you to find here? Area of a quadrant of a circle. Quadrant of a circle is 1/4. Angle at the center of a circle is 360 degrees. In this 1/4 quadrant is nothing but 1/4. 1/4 means theta we have to take as 90 degrees. Now theta equals to 90 degrees and radius equals to 7 by 2 centimeters. Then we have to find here area of the quadrant of the circle. Then area equals to theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Now substitute all the values. 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 90 will go here 4 times, 2 11 times. 7 get cancelled. Now here numerator 11 and 7, 11 7 are 77 and the denominator 4 2s are 8. So 77 by 8 centimeter square. Therefore area of quadrant of a circle. Therefore conclusion, area of quadrant of a circle equals to 77 by 8 centimeter square. The length of minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. So the length of minute hand of a clock. Now if you take here, this is 12, 6, 3 and 9. So I am taking, this is the minute hand and this is our hand. So now the length of the minute hand is given 14 centimeters. So this is 14 centimeters they have given, and within 5 minutes how much area it swept. So how much area means the minute hand moves from 12 to like up to 1 2 up to 2. That means the minute hand moves from this area to, it moves up to this place, so that it makes some angle at the center of a circle, but they did not give here any angle. So easily we can identify, since the clock is divided into 12 equal parts. So clock is divided into 12 equal parts. So total angle at the center, total angle at the center is 360 degrees. Now angle made by minute hand in 5 minutes equals to, so total is 360 degrees and divided by the clock in 12 equal parts. So 12 3s are 36. So within 5 minutes the angle made by the minute hand is 30 degrees. So that now radius equals to given, radius equals to 14 centimeters and the angle equals to 30 degrees. Now area of the sector, A equals to theta by 360 into pi r square, whereas theta equals to 30 degrees. 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius is 14 into 14. 7 will go here 2 times. 30, 0 0, 3 12 times. Again 2 1s, 2 6 times. 2 3s, 2 11s. So 14, 11 into 14 by 3, 14 1 jar 14 1, 14 1 jar 14 plus 1 15. 154 by 3 centimeter square. Therefore, within 5 minutes, the area swept by the minute hand is 154 by 3 centimeter square. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters. So, a chord of a circle of radius, this is the chord they have given, and the radius they mentioned is 10 centimeters. So, radius of the circle is given 10 centimeters and makes subtends a right angle at the center. Subtends, what the meaning of the subtend? Subtend means makes an angle at the center with the help of chord. So now this is 90 degrees given. Then what they ask you to find here? Find area of the minor segment and major sector. So first we have to calculate minor segment. Minor segment. So what is the segment in this? The region bounded by chord of a circle to arc of a circle. So if you consider this part is called an arc and this is called as chord. So the region bounded by chord and arc of a circle is called segment of a circle. If you give the names here, this is O, A, B and this is D. So now to find this area of the segment part, minor segment part, so area of the sector, from area of the sector, if you subtract area of triangle, simply we can get here area of the minor segment. So area of minor segment equals to area of minor segment equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle is half into base into height. Since the theta equals to, we have to take here 90 degrees, so that 90 by 360 into pi value we have to take here 3.14 and the radius is 10 into 10 minus half into 10 into 10. So 90 will go here 4 times. So 314 by 4. So here 0.14, and if you multiply 10 into 10, 100 into 3.14 equals to 314 minus 2 will go here 5 times. So 50. So if you simplify this part, we get here 78.5 minus 50. So that we can get here 28.5 centimeter square. This is what here area of minor segment. Second part, they ask you to find area of major sector. Major sector. Area of major sector is this complete part is area of major sector. Already total 360 degrees. From this 360 degrees, already 90 degrees part is completed. So leftover angle 270 degrees. So now theta can be taken 270 degrees and the radius is 10 centimeters. Now area of major sector equals to A equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 270 by 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. 0 0 get cancel, 9 3s 9 4s. So now 314 into 3 by 4, 235.5 centimeter square. Therefore area of major sector equals to 235.5 centimeter square and area of minor segment equals to 28.5 centimeter square. In a circle of radius 21 centimeters, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degrees given the radius is 21 centimeters. And they asked to find the length of arc is one question. Area of the sector formed by the arc and area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So first one is length of arc. Length of an arc. So what is arc in this? So this part, this curved part is called length of arc. So L equals to, it is a part of a circumference of a circle. So theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So if you substitute all the values here, 60 by 360 into pi value can be taken 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 21. 66 times 7 3 times. And 2 ones, 2 threes, 3 cancel. So length of arc is 22 centimeters. Second question is area of sector. So area of sector formula, A equals to theta by 360 into pi r square, and theta is 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius equals to how many centimeters? 21 into 21. 60 will go here 6 times, 7 3 times, 3 2 times, 2 11 times. So 21 into 11. So 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22 plus 1, 23. 231 centimeter square. And the last one, they asked to find here area of segment. So area of segment equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. So area of sector, already we found the answer as 231 minus, but area of the triangle, since the angle is given as 60 degrees, so if it is a 60 degrees less than 90 degrees, whatever the angle they have given, just to write the formula here, half r square sine theta. Right children? So area of the triangle formula, directly you substitute as half into r square sine theta. Instead of theta place less than 90 degrees, whatever it is, directly substitute. Okay, so that 231 minus half into radius is 21 into 21 sine theta, sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees value is, or sine 60 degrees, we write one more step. So the 231 minus half into 21 into 21 into root 3 by 2. If you simplify here, 231 minus 21 into 21 into root 3 by 2 into 2, that equals to 4. 231 minus 21 into 21 is 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. You can leave the sum like children. If they have mentioned root 3 value is 1.73, then we have to substitute the value, or else you no need to substitute and you can leave simply the problem up to here. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeters. So chord of the radius of a circle. So radius is given, radius is 15 centimeters. This is 15 centimeters and this is also given as 15 centimeters. And 15 centimeters are given here, radius of the circle, and the angle of sector equals to given as 60 degrees. Angle equals to given as 60 degrees. Angle equals to. Then they ask to find here the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. They ask to find here corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. So minor segment means, so this part is called as minor segment and rest of the part is called as major segment. So first we can calculate minor segment. If you find the minor segment, from that easily we can calculate the value of major segment. Since the radius, first part, area of minor segment we can calculate. Minor segment equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. So area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. So area of triangle formula I said here, half r square sin theta. Substitute all the values here. Theta value is 60 degrees by 360. Here the pi value they ask you to take here 3.14 into radius is 15 into 15 minus half into r square is 15 into 15 into, so theta equals to 60 degrees. So sine 60 degrees. So we have to write here, this is sine 60 degrees. Now 60 will go here, 61, 66 times, 3 2s, 3 5s. So now 3 2 1s, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s, 2 7s are 14. So 1.57 into 5 into 15 minus half into 225. 15 into 15 is 225. Sine 60 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2. So if you simplify here, 15 5 are 75. 75 into 1.57 minus 225 into root 3 value is 1.73 by 4. So now 0.57 into 75 equals to here 117.75 minus 225 into 1.73, 389.25 by 4. That equals to 117.75 minus, if you simplify this part, 97.3125. 97.3125. So that equals to, subtract this part so that we can get here 20.4375. So 20.4375 centimeter square. This is what here, this is only area of minor segment. Then area of major segment. So area of major segment equals to area of circle minus area of minor segment. So area of circle is pi r square and area of minor segment already we got here 20.4375. So here pi value is 3.14 and the radius is 15 into 15 minus 20.4375. 15 15 are 225 into 3.14 minus 20.4375. So if you simplify 225 into 3.14, we get here 706.5. So that we can write here 706.5 minus 20.4375. So final answer after subcalculation we can get here 686.0625. 686.0625 centimeter square. Therefore, area of major segment equals to 686.0625 centimeter square.